Hello student, welcome to RK Toppers Academy. Now we are discuss about quadratic equation. What is this? Quadratic equation. Then what is the definition of quadratic equation? An algebraic expression, or you can say an equation which have variables maximum power 2 is called quadratic equation. An equation which have variables maximum power is 2 is called quadratic equation. Then what is standard quadratic equation? Standard quadratic equation. The standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a does not equals to 0, The standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a does not equals to 0. Clear? Then different types of equations are in a standard form. You can say ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, or ay square plus by plus c equals to 0, or you can say az square plus bz plus c equals to 0. Then these are standard quadratic equation according to variables. Clear? Then this is standard quadratic equation. Then always compare any quadratic equation from standard quadratic equations. It means this is a standard quadratic equation where a does not equals to 0. Then how can define any equation is a quadratic or not? According to definition, you know, the variable's maximum power is 2. Any equation is in the form of standard quadratic equation, and here variable's maximum power is 2. Then you can say any types of equation, solve them and change into standard quadratic equation, and then define is a quadratic equation or not. Clear? Then suppose we have an example as like x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 in bracket 2x plus 3 is a quadratic equation. At this stage you can't be say quadratic or not. Then firstly we solve these equations according to standard quadratic equation. We solve this equation and interchange to standard quadratic equation. I like this is a plus b whole square means x plus 1 whole square. We can write now x square plus 2x plus 1 and here 4x plus 3. Clear? Then x square plus 2x plus 1 in left side minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. Clear? 3 2 is 6. Sorry. Clear? In left side 4x, this is positive, in left side minus 4x plus 6x positive, in left side minus 6x. And solve it, x square plus 2x minus 4x. Which sign is more than another? Minus sign is more than another, because here terms is 4, terms 4 is more than 2. It means here minus sign and greater value subtract to smaller value. It means 2x minus 6 plus 1. This is maximum value, this is minimum value. Clear? Then their sign is negative. 6 minus 1 is 5. This is a standard quadratic equation, and here variable's maximum power is 2. Then you can say therefore it's a quadratic equation. Any doubt? It's a quadratic equation. Then any types of question, firstly you solve and interchange to standard quadratic equation. Then if variables maximum power is 2, then you can say this is quadratic equation. Another example, suppose x plus 1 x minus 5 into x minus 5 equals to x minus 3 into x plus 2 is a quadratic equation. Then is a quadratic equation? This is a question. Clear? Perhaps not, because here x multiply in x square, x multiply in 1 plus x, minus 5 multiply in x, minus 5x, minus and plus multiply here, minus 5 on the 5. Clear? And here in right side, x multiply x square, x multiply minus 3x, plus 2 multiply x plus 2x, plus 2 multiply minus 6, plus and minus multiply minus 3 to the 6. Clear? From these left hand side and right hand side, if variables are equals, their sign are equal and their power are also equal, then you can cancel it. X square cancel to x square. Clear? Then this is plus x minus 5x. These are like terms. Then the operation solution is 4x minus 5 equals to minus 3x plus 2x. Clear? This is minus sign, this is plus sign. Which sign is more than another? Minus sign is more than another. Then 3x minus 2x is x minus 6. Clear? In left side, you can write now minus 4x minus 5 minus x in left plus x minus 6 in left plus 6 equals to 0. Then minus 4x plus x. Here signs are different to each other. Then in this condition, we subtract always. Which sign is more than another? Minus sign is more than another. 4x minus 4x plus x. Here we can write minus 3x. Minus 5 plus 6. 6 minus 5 overall plus 1 equals to 0. Here variables power is it 2? No. Then therefore it's not a quadratic equation. It's not a quadratic equation. क्लियर? मैं ये कह रहा हूं कोई भी इक्वेशन अगर हम पहले सॉल्व कर दें और सॉल्व करके उसको स्टैंडर्ड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म में चेंज कर दें और चेंज करने के बाद वेरिएबल्स की मैक्सिमम पावर देखेंगे. सपोज 2 है, देन दिस इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सपोज 2 नहीं है, एज लाइक दिस, then you can say this is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Perhaps clear. Then the next topic of quadratic equation is solution of quadratic equation. This is most important topic of quadratic equation. This is the most important topic of a quadratic equation. Then let's start. Solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation. This is another topic which are most important to this chapter. Here solution of quadratic equation, solution of quadratic equation. How many types of solution of a quadratic equation? Here two types: solution of quadratic equation by factorization, and another by quadratic formula, by quadratic solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Clear? And the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. This is a quadratic formula. And what is a, b, c? In a standard quadratic equation, you know, standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then the a is here standard quadratic equation, b is also, c is also here. And solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method, here three types. How many types? Three types. First is factorization by splitting the middle term, or you can say the solution of, here some types, solution of quadratic equation by splitting of midterm. By splitting of midterm. Clear? And second type, solution of quadratic equation by completing perfect square. And another third, solution of quadratic equation by identities. And what is identities? I like a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and all of these. ठीक है? Like a square minus b square, also formula is a plus b, a minus b. These are the factorization format, and these are called identities. And here what is identities? अगर हम बात करते हैं identities पे, then what is identities? identities, an equation which have left hand side equivalent to right hand side, then we can say any types of equation which have left hand side equivalent to right hand side, then these equation is called identities. Clear? It means a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square is a identities. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square is also identities. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, this is identities. Clear? Then we discussed about the solution of quadratic equation by splitting the midterm. Clear? Firstly here, and solution of quadratic equation by completing perfect square, and third, solution of quadratic equation by identities. Clear? The first topic is solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation by splitting of midterm. I like example here. We have a quadratic equation, I like x square minus x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Here we solve this quadratic equation according to splitting of midterm. What is this splitting of midterm? The coefficient of x square में जिस भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई होगा उसको हम कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर बोलते हैं. ठीक है? द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड विद द कांस्टेंट टर्म. ठीक ना? देन वी कैन से हियर 1 मल्टीप्लाई टू 6. 6 1 जा 6. हियर 6 हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स? How many factors? 6 is a factor, 6 1 ja 6 and 6 is a factor, 3 2 ja 6. Clear? There are two factors. Okay. The coefficient of x square multiplied to the constant term. Clear? And the factors of constant term are product is 6 into 1 or 3 into 2. Operates according to the sign of constant term. This is sign of constant term. Clear? Operates. Then 6 minus 1. Then we can use 6 minus 1 is 5. Is a midterm is 5? No. Here use 3 minus 2 equals to 1. In a midterm, constant term is 1. Yes. Clear? Then we can use which factor? 3 into 2. इसमें 3 and 2. मैं ये बता रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुनेंगे. एक्स स्क्वायर के कोफिशिएंट का कांस्टेंट टर्म में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. यही कांस्टेंट टर्म आपका है, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. और जो प्रोडक्ट आया है उसका ऐसा फैक्टर का पेयर कंपेयर करेंगे, ऐसा फैक्टर का पेयर लेंगे कि कांस्टेंट टर्म के साइन के अकॉर्डिंग, अगर यहां पे माइनस है तो माइनस करने पे और प्लस है तो प्लस करने पे मिड वाली डिजिट आनी चाहिए. ठीक है? समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. देखो फर्स्ट टर्म एज इट इज राइट करेंगे. हियर माइनस साइन एंड दियर वेरिएबल एज इट इज. व्हाट कैन आई डू टू फाइंड 1? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 minus 6 इक्वल टू 0. मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि कैसे हम 1 फाइंड करेंगे मिड में. मिड टर्म को ही केवल ब्रेक करना है और फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट को एज इट इज छोड़ देना है. तो मिड टर्म में आप क्या लेंगे? साइन लेंगे, उसकी वेरिएबल लेंगे और अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म कौन सा फैक्टर यूज करेंगे? देन 3 minus 2 यूज करेंगे. मैंने 3 minus 2 यूज कर दिया. देन ऑपरेट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2x माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 0. Clear? Clear? Then here common terms in 2 pair of two terms. Common term is x. Here in these two terms, common is x minus 3 here. Here common is 2, then x minus 3, 2 3 ja 6 equals to 0. Then whole common. What is the whole common? X minus 3. And another terms is x plus 2. These are the factors of quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. It means we can write these are the product of these product is 0. If any two numbers like a into b equals to 0, then we can say either first term is 0 or second term is 0 or both are 0. Clear? It means we can write now here x minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to 3. Another x plus 2 equals to 0, then we can write now here x equals to minus 2. क्लियर है? मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि जब दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट 0 होता है तो या तो फर्स्ट नंबर ही 0 होगा, या तो सेकेंड नंबर 0 होगा, या तो दोनों 0 होंगे. ठीक है? तो हम सेपरेटली बारी बारी से क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट नंबर के इक्वल टू 0 कर देते हैं, x की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी. सेकेंड नंबर के इक्वल टू 0 कर देंगे, x की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी. देन व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? द सॉल्यूशन of quadratic equation is here. We can write now the solution of quadratic equation is x equals to two values 3 and minus 2. Then we can write now here 3 comma minus 2 in curly bracket because these are the set, SET set. Then what is set? A group of well defined object is called set. Then x को हमने बहुत अच्छे से डिफाइन किया है और उसकी वैल्यू है 3 and minus 2. क्लियर है? यहां से फिर से एक बार रिपीट कर देता हूं. द सॉल्यूशन आर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय स्प्लिटिंग अ मिड टर्म. तो मिड टर्म को तोड़कर हम कैसे किसी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लाइक मैंने एग्जांपल लिया x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Clear? X square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. The coefficient of x multiplied to the constant term 1 6 are 6, and the factors of product 6 is 6 into 1 or 3 into 2. Clear? And according to the sign of constant term operates and find mid constant. Mid constant is 1, not a minus 1. 1. Then how can find according to the sign of constant term? It means 6 factor is 3 into 2 and their difference is 1. And we can use 3 minus 2 in a mid term. Then the next step is x square minus x in bracket 3 minus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. It means here right now x square minus x multiply plus 3, then plus minus and plus multiply minus 3x, minus minus multiply plus x 2 ja 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Here common between two terms, a pair of two terms, x is a common here, then here x and in here minus 3, plus 2 is a common, then x here and 2 3 ja 6, here minus 3. The whole common is x minus 3 and another terms is x plus 2. Clear? The product of two terms between two brackets, here sign is into or multiply. The product of two terms is 0, then either first term is 0 or second term is 0 or both are 0. It means x minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to 3, and x plus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 2. Then what is the value of x? 3 and minus 2, 3 comma minus 2. How can write? In set form. How can write? In set form. Clear? another example. Another example. Note down. Note down. We have some another example. We have some another example. क्लियर? आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर भी काम कर सकते हैं, ध्यान से देखेंगे इसको। एक एग्जांपल और लेता हूं, आपको ये लग सकता है कि सर ये तो बहुत इजी है, आप ऐसा कर ले रहे हो, मेरे लिए तो बहुत कठिन है, ये है फलाना है ढिमका है, आप कर सकते हो, ठीक ना। सपोज हमने एक क्वेश्चन लिया 3x² - 6√2x + 2 = 0। क्लियर? हमने एक इक्वेशन लिया है, तो इसको सॉल्व करना है। इसको सॉल्व करना है, क्या करेंगे भाई? सबसे पहला काम चेक करेंगे कि मिड टर्म फैक्टराइजेशन से सॉल्व भी होगा कि नहीं होगा, ठीक है। द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x² मल्टीप्लाई टू द कांस्टेंट टर्म। क्लियर? देन 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6. This value is 2√6. Sorry. Clear? This is quadratic equation. Firstly, we check. We can solve by splitting up midterm or not. The coefficient of x² multiply to the constant term 3 2 is 6. The factors of 6 is 6 1 is 6, and also we can write now 3 2 is 6. Clear? Then constant term sign is plus. If we plus 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, not a 2√6. 3 plus 2 is 5, not a 2√6. Then we factorize another types. 6 we can write now √6 into √6. 6 को हम राइट कर सकते हैं √6 into √6 के रूप में, ठीक है। तो चलो ठीक है बाबू, दिस इज 1√6 and this is also 1√6. It means the constant term sign is plus. It means we can add these two terms. Then √6 plus √6 add 2√6. I like x plus x, add them, then 2x. It means first term is as it is, minus sign is here, x is here. Then what can do? √6 plus √6. We can find midterm 2√6 plus 2 = 0. मैं ये बार बार कह रहा हूं, x² में जो भी नंबर कोफिशिएंट है उसका कांस्टेंट में मल्टीप्लाई करिए, उसके फैक्टर का ऐसा पेयर बनाना है कि कांस्टेंट टर्म की साइन यूज करके मिड कांस्टेंट लाने हैं, ठीक है। एज एट एनी रेट, सपोज नहीं हो पाता है, देन वी कांट बी यूज the factorization of the solution of quadratic equation by splitting up midterm. Clear? Then we can write now here 3x² minus √6x minus √6x plus 2 = 0. Any doubt? Common between two pairs. Here common 3. What is 3? 3 is √3 into √3. And what is 6? 6 is also √2 into √3. It means we have in these two terms we have common x and √3. Clear? इन दोनों के बीच क्या कॉमन है? x तो कॉमन है ही, इसके साथ साथ √3 भी कॉमन है। चलो तो लेते हैं। It means we can write now here √3x. अब √3 इसमें से निकल गया तो √3 बचेगा और x बचेगा यहाँ पे। यहां से x तो ऑलरेडी निकल चुका है, क्या बचेगा? ओनली √2 माइनस। अब देखिए फिर यहां पे इस 6 को √6 को √3 इंटू √2 बोलेंगे, ठीक है। और इसी तरह से 2 को क्या बोलने वाले हैं, √2 इंटू √2 बोलने वाले हैं, है कि नहीं। और इस कंडीशन में हम कह सकते हैं कि √2 कॉमन, क्लियर, √2 कॉमन। देन हियर -√2, माइनस कॉमन हो गया। देन आप याद रखना है आपको, ब्रैकेट से बाहर जैसे ही माइनस कॉमन लेंगे अंदर वाले टर्म्स का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है। इट मीन्स √2 डिवाइड √6, हियर √3x, साइन इंटरचेंज, प्लस देन माइनस, 2 इज डिवाइडेड बाय √2, रिजल्ट इज √2। मैं ये कह रहा हूं सीधे सीधे कि -√2 जब हम लोग निकालेंगे इसका मतलब डिवाइड ही करते हैं। चलो निकालते हैं, यहां से √2 निकाल दिए तो √3 और √2 ही तो बचेगा, लेकिन इसमें x भी तो है। अब आप कहोगे सर यहाँ प्लस था, आप माइनस क्यों कर दिए, क्योंकि यहाँ की साइन क्या थी, निगेटिव। देन माइनस और प्लस का डिवाइड होगा तो रिजल्ट माइनस में आता है, क्लियर ना, इक्वल्स टू 0। इट मीन्स वी कैन से here these two terms are always same, then we can write here whole common √3x minus √2 and another √3x minus √2 equals to 0, clear. It means these are same, then the product of two terms is 0, then either first term is 0 or second term is 0. It means √3 minus √2 equals to 0, then x equals to √2 upon √3। माइनस √2 था, राइट में गया पॉजिटिव हो गया, इनटू में था डिवाइड हो गया, ठीक है। सिमिलरली √3x minus √2 equals to 0, then x equals to √2 upon √3। then what is the value of x, then what is the value of x, x is √2 upon √3 and another √2 upon also √3, always curly bracket, x value put always in curly bracket, here note down these two equations, perhaps शायद आपको ये बात समझ में आई होगी। हमने कोशिश किया कि आप सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मिड टर्म से सीख ले, ठीक है। और भी आगे ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस हम कराएंगे इस पे, ठीक है। अभी 2 टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन हमने मिड टर्म फैक्टराइजेशन इसको बोलते हैं, इसको एक और नाम देते हैं मिड टर्म फैक्टराइजेशन और स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मिड टर्म, ऐसे ही सॉल्व करना है। सपोज इसको फॉलो कोई टर्म्स नहीं करता है, कोई रूल्स नहीं करता है, ठीक है, तो हम लगाते हैं सेकेंड। देन सेकेंड पे चलते हैं। सेकेंड, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय कंप्लीटिंग परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। Solution of quadratic equation by completing perfect square, अब थोड़ा ध्यान देंगे, हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना के किसी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्टली आपको समझना पड़ेगा the sum of two terms and their square is first term square plus 2ab, it means 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Similarly here a minus b whole square, we can say here a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are perfect square in algebraic form. ये अलजेब्रा में परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, क्लियर है, ये अलजेब्रा के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हैं। देन हम लोग एग्जांपल लेते हैं। सेकंड कंडीशन आ चुकी है, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय कंप्लीटिंग परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। कैसे करेंगे देखिए, आज हम लोग क्लियर करके ही रहेंगे कि हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स, ठीक ना। देयर आर factorization method, here use factorization method, and in factorization method we have a second types of factorization by completing perfect square. We have an equation x square minus 5x minus 4 equals to 0। क्या आप इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मिड टर्म पे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? पहले चेक कर लीजिए। द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 1 मल्टीप्लाई टू द कांस्टेंट टर्म 4, द फैक्टर्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म इज 2 into 2 and 4 into 1। What is the sign of constant term? The sign of constant term is negative. It means 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, and here 4 minus 1 is 3. Is a mid constant is 3? No. Is a mid constant is 0? No. It means we can't be use splitting of mid terms or middle terms. Clear? Then by how can solve? The name is completing of perfect square. By completing perfect square. Then what is the perfect square in algebra? Here we can write now a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means the sum of the first two terms whole square is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Another a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2 into first term into second term, it means 2ab plus b square। मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि अलजेब्रा में परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या होते हैं? वो दो नंबर का प्लस करने पे जो स्क्वायर होता है वो हो गया फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into फर्स्ट टर्म into सेकेंड टर्म प्लस सेकेंड टर्म स्क्वायर। क्लियर? और we can use a minus b whole square, it means first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square। It means here a quadratic equation which can solve the completing of perfect square। The coefficient of here first term square as it is, हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर है, अच्छी बात है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। minus sign here also minus sign, then according to formula first term square then minus sign, then 2 into first term into second term, we have a first term, then we can write now here 2 into first term is x, in bracket value is a first term is x, we have not a second term, हमारे पास सेकेंड टर्म नहीं है। चलो तो यहां से अगर सपोज हमको 2ab कोई नंबर है, इसमें से 2a फाइंड हो जाए तो डिवाइड कर देंगे तो जो बचा हुआ नंबर है वो कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। इट मीन्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 into फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज माई मिड टर्म्स एंड गिवन मिड टर्म इज 5x। if 5x is related to 2ab and 2x related to 2a, if we divide these two then we can find I like b। clear? I like b, it means x cancel, we have 5/2। फिर से सुन लीजिए, जो इक्वेशन का गिवन है मिड टर्म और जो हमने बनाया है मिड टर्म उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे तो b उसका जो प्रोडक्ट है या b जो कंटेंट है बाहर निकल जाएगा। देन वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट टर्म 2 into first term into second term। Here the portion is complete, a square minus 2ab I like x square minus 2x into 5/2। clear? The next term is plus b square, it means next term is 5 by 2 whole square. Then compare the equation x square, I like x square, 2 and 2 is cancelled, this is 5x is 5x, and this is 5 by 2 whole square, 5 by 2 whole square. Is it here? क्या ये यहाँ पे है? No. It means ये एक्स्ट्रा मैंने ऐड कर दिया है. Then we can subtract minus 5 by 2 whole square. Clear? And minus 4 is as it is. भाई वैल्यू भी नहीं बदलनी चाहिए और फैक्टराइजेशन हो भी जाना चाहिए, वही करना है. चलिए देखते हैं फिर से. फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट टर्म x इज हियर. इस मिड टर्म में अपने वाले मिड टर्म से हमने डिवाइड कर दिया, कैंसिल होके 5 by 2 आ गया. दिस इज आई लाइक b. देन प्लस b स्क्वायर, इट मीन्स 5 by 2 स्क्वायर. Comparing this equation, x square as it is, 2 cancel, 5x is as it is. 5 by 2 whole square is equals to 4. No. Then subtract 5 by 2 whole square. Clear? And rest values put minus 4 equals to 0. Clear? A square minus 2ab plus b square. I like this. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This value right now I like this. Then here this value is right now x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus, then here minus 5 square is 25 upon 5 square is 25 upon 2 square is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Clear? Then x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 4 4 ja 16, 25 minus 16 upon 4. It means these two values are 6 and 5, 1, 11. It means 2 and 3, 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 carry is 4 minus 41 upon 4. It means we can write now here 41 upon 4 equals to 0. Any doubt? अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो वीडियो को पॉज करेंगे, रोकेंगे, उसको बैक करके देख लीजिएगा दोबारा. चलो, x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus this value we can write now in a square form, root 41 upon 2 whole square equals to 0. Here root 41 whole square equals to 0. ठीक है भाई. तो this value is as like another formula, another identity is a square minus b square. Then we can write now here a plus b, a minus b. Clear? Or we can use in right side here x minus 5 by 2 whole square equals to in right side. ये right side में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, या फिर चलो मैं सॉल्व कर देता हूं, देख लो आप ध्यान से. x minus 5 by 2 a square minus b square, I like a minus a, this is a, plus root 41 upon 2, this is a plus b, and another, this is a. This means x minus 5 by 2 minus root 41 by 2 equals to 0. Clear? These are the factors of quadratic equation by which method completing perfect square. ठीक है, चलिए तो इसको और सॉल्यूशन देते हैं हम लोग. The product of two terms is 0, then either first term is 0 or second term is 0. It means x minus 5 by 2 plus root 41 by 2 equals to 0. Then x equals to, in right side this value is positive and this value is negative. It means 5 by 2 minus root 41 by 2 Clear? Then x equals to 2 here, 5 minus root 41. Clear? This is first value x. Another, x minus 5 by 2 minus root 41 upon 2 equals to 0. Then x equals to, in right side both are positive, 5 by 2 plus root 41 by 2. Clear? Then denominator is same. We can write now 5 plus root 41 upon 2. Then how many solutions of x? Here 2 solutions. Why? Because this is quadratic equation. Here 2 roots. How many roots? 2 roots. It means 5 minus root 41 upon 2 comma 5 plus root 41 upon 2. Clear? ठीक है, जल्दी से नोट कर लीजिए, इसको समझ लीजिए, अच्छे से नोट कर लीजिए, और कोई डाउट हो समझ लीजिए। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय कंप्लीटिंग परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, ये चल रहा है अभी, ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट की तरफ हम लोग चलेंगे। अगली टॉपिक है थर्ड टॉपिक, इसमें चलेंगे सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय आइडेंटिटीज। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय आइडेंटिटीज। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय आइडेंटिटीज। Then what is identities? A plus b whole square, an equation which have left hand side equivalent to right hand side, is called identities. It means a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and another a square minus b square equals to a plus b, another bracket a minus b. Clear? These are identities. And we can use directly in a quadratic equation. How can say? Which form? If we have same as like identities, then we can use these two identities or three identities and so on. Here, example, x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. What is this? We can write now this quadratic equation x square plus 3 square is 9, and midterm is minus 2 into first term x and second term 3. Clear? Overall value is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using identity, what identity? A plus a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. जब ये आइडेंटिटी हम यूज कर देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? इसको हम बोलने वाले हैं x माइनस आई लाइक a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर, देन x माइनस 3 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 0। फिर से एक बार अच्छे से सुन लीजिए। This is quadratic equation x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. This quadratic equation is I like identities. Check. X square minus 2 into first term into second term, I like इसमें multiply करके कर सकते हो, plus 9 is, we can write 3 square. Then this value is like a square minus 2b plus b square. And this value is equal to a minus b whole square. It means first term minus second term whole square. Here first term is x and second term is 3, minus लगाना है whole square. And whole square is, any number whole square is, we can write now 2 times in multiply form. X minus 3 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Then x minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to 3. X minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to also 3. Then right now here the solution x 3 comma 3. Why? Because this is a quadratic equation. It means variables maximum power is 2. Then their roots are also 2. Roots means value of x. How many? 2. 3 comma 3. Note down. Another types of equation, another example, x square minus 25, x square minus 25 equals to 0. And this is as like x square minus 5 square equals to 0. Any doubt? Then these equation we can use here another identity named a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. By using, you can write now here, by using a square minus b square equals to a plus b, another bracket a minus b. It means we can write now here x minus 5, another bracket x plus 5 equals to 0. Clear? The product of two terms is 0, then either first term is 0 or second term is 0. It means x minus 5 equals to 0, then x equals to 5. X minus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to 2. Any doubt? These are the solution of quadratic equation by factorization. In factorization, how many types? There are 3 types. The solution of quadratic equation by the solution of quadratic equation by factorization of midterm, or you can say splitting of middle term. Second, the solution of quadratic equation by completing perfect square. Third, solution of quadratic equation by identities. And here 2 types of questions. Note down. And next, what is the next? Next is solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. And we can discuss in another lecture. Thanks.